Chips ranking, let's see. Cheetah, the monkey of Tarzan, number 6. Let's see. Lazy number 1. Lazy town, I know. Let's see. Kia the car. From China, number 2. Porumbar, number 5. Let's see. Desperados number 3 always. Let's see. Funny Frisco. Number 10. Also really good. Lorenzo from Mexico, number 7. Let's see. Tacos from Mexico, number 4. Come on. Wine, number 9. Let's see. Princess, number 8, of course.